there, little explorers. Welcome back to Lil'Whizkids and another amazing adventure. Today we have something truly special for you. We're going to dive into the world of the slowest and cutest creatures in the jungle, sloths. First things first, let's meet our star of the day, the sloth. Sloths are these wonderful creatures that you can find in the jungles of Central and South America. They are known for their slow movements and their unique way of life. But don't let their slowness fool you. They are incredibly fascinating. Did you know that there are two types of sloths? We have the two-toed sloths and the three-toed sloths. The number of toes they have is one way to tell them apart. But did you know that they both have 3 toes on their hind legs? Interesting, right? Sloths are known for their incredible slowness. They move at a snail's pace, and sometimes they don't move at all for hours. But why are they so slow? It's because of their diet. Sloths mainly eat leaves, which are low in energy. So, they conserve their energy by moving slowly. One of the most amazing things about sloths is that they spend almost their entire lives hanging from trees. Their long claws help them hold on to branches, and they even sleep while hanging upside down. Can you imagine sleeping like that? Sloths might be slow, but their senses are super sharp. Their eyesight isn't great, but they have an excellent sense of smell and hearing. It helps them stay safe and find food in the jungle. Sloths are masters of camouflage. Their fur often grows algae, making them look like a part of the tree. This helps them hide from predators like eagles and big cats. Have you ever noticed the sloth's unique and charming smile? Their facial structure gives them a permanent grin, making them look extra cute. Before we wrap up, here are some quick fun facts about sloths. Sloths only poop about once a week. They can turn their heads 270 degrees. A group of sloths are called a snuggle. Well, there you have it, our adventure into the world of sloths. Aren't they just adorable? I hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting adventures. See you next time.